Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you clicked on this video, maybe you are looking to turn your hobby into a side hustle. So stay tuned and I'm gonna share my 5 different revenue streams that I use for my crafty content and handmade small business. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I own a small business called Tab's Art Shop where I turn my art into stickers, bookmarks, cards, and more. I also love creating content showing how I create products behind the scenes of my shop and inspiring you guys to learn a new craft or start your own small business. And really anyone can get into these different revenue streams. It does take work, but anyone can do it. So whether you're a crafty content creator and business like me, or you like to cook, or you're a mom channel, whatever it may be, really anyone can do these and you can start today or start planning to tackle these in 2025. Okay, so number 1 is selling physical products. So this is where I started back in January of 2022. I opened up an Etsy and started selling my handmade stickers. And then stickers turned into bookmarks and cards and apparel. And to sell physical products, you can either have an online store like Etsy or Shopify. You can also do wholesale through sites like Faire, which is what I use. You can do pop-up markets, or you can even go to your local boutiques or stores that you would love to have your products in and talk to the owner and see if they'd be willing to carry your products in their store. And then number 2, which kind of goes into having an online store, is selling digital downloads and printables. So this is something I've recently got into and selling printable bookmarks. So I have my hand illustrated bookmarks listed on my Etsy, and then people can actually purchase that and print them from home. The possibilities are really endless on digital downloads. If you go on Etsy and you search digital downloads or printables, you'll see how many different things are out there that you can potentially get into. And what's really cool about this is once you post that initial product, really all you have to do after that is celebrate when you get an order. Let's move on to number 3, which is what I'm doing now, and that is monetizing content. So of course, YouTube has AdSense, so you can get paid on your YouTube videos. TikTok has the Creator Fund, eligibility requirements for both TikTok and YouTube. On TikTok, you have to have, I think it's like 10,000 followers, like 100,000 views over the last 30 days. And then your videos have to be over a minute long for you to be able to make money off of them. And then of course, YouTube, you do have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I am actually just about to hit my 6 months of being monetized and my year on YouTube next month in November. And I do plan on doing a full video on like how much money I've made on YouTube over these last 6 months. So yeah, if you are already filming and posting online content, why not get paid for it? You're already putting the work, you already enjoy it, so you can make money from something that you already love doing, which is really cool. If you are wanting to become a content creator, start now. And I know everybody says this, but if I can do it, you can do it. I started as a full-time 9-to-5 employee, part-time student, and running my small business. So I had a lot going on, but it was something I was really passionate about and really wanted to do. So I started filming videos over the weekend, which is still what I do now, and started posting content. So you just have to find the time and the motivation to do it and just keep going, stay consistent. Some people take a lot longer to become monetized, but don't give up. Everyone starts somewhere. Some people's journeys are a little bit quicker, some are a little bit slower. So if you really want to do it, then do it. Okay, let's move on to number 4. And that is affiliate codes or like an Amazon storefront. I have loved having an Amazon storefront. As a crafty content creator, I am constantly filming like my favorite products, what I use to make my stickers and bookmarks. And because I get everything from Amazon, I created a storefront that has all of the stuff that I use on it. And then when someone wants to know what I use, I have them go to my Amazon storefront, and then when they purchase something off of there, I get a commission at no cost to them. We all purchase stuff from Amazon, or at least I would assume most of us purchase stuff from Amazon. So if you're already showing products in your videos, then create a storefront. And then when someone wants to know what it is in your video, link them to your storefront. So have it like as a link in bio to make it easier for that person to go to it. But Amazon storefront has been one of my most consistent revenue streams. I pretty much make about the same amount of money every single month on there. Like I said, it's so easy to set up. I think you just type in like Amazon affiliate program or something like that. There are also like affiliate links and affiliate codes that you can get with companies, where basically if a customer clicks on your link or uses your code, you can get a commission from that as well. But yeah, number 5, brand deals. And you can make so much money with brand deals. I mean, I have heard of some people making $30,000 on one video. I know one girl that I follow who had about 200,000 followers on Instagram. She posted, or like she basically disclosed one of her contracts, and of course she crossed out the company name, but it was pretty easy to figure out which video it was. But she made $14,000 on a 25-second Instagram reel, which is wild. And there are a lot of people that make a lot more money than that just posting shorts and reels. And you also see like YouTube sponsorships in people's videos. If you're already showing and promoting products, reach out to that company and see if they'd be willing to do a partnership or a sponsored post with you and get paid for the videos of you showing their product. You are basically marketing for them and selling products for them without getting paid for it. So reach out to them. And majority of the time you won't hear back, but you never know. You may hear back, and then you might end up getting, a $700 brand deal or a $3,000 brand deal, whatever it may be. It is a really cool way to make a lot of money. And then if you can start consistently bringing in those brand deals, you can end up going full-time pretty quick. But my biggest thing when it comes to brand deals is do not take money from a brand or a product that you do not like, but tell your audience that you like it just to get the money. You do not want to be dishonest to your audience about the products that you're using or the brands that you are promoting. Just make sure you already like them, you actually want to try the product, or you already know you love the product. And same thing, like if they reach out to you and you've never heard of this brand, you don't know what they're about, make sure you are able to freely speak about the product. If you do decide to tackle any of these revenue streams, that you may have some really slow months, you may have some really good months, you may start off really slow and not see any progress for a while. But the most important thing to remember is, as long as you are enjoying it, as long as you're already posting or you're already, whatever it may be, as long as you're having fun and you enjoy it, then keep going. Because you never know. One day, one of these revenue streams, if not all of them, could end up being your, something that you love doing and you're able to make a full-time income with it. And I'm hoping that one day I get there. My goal is to be able to do this full-time someday. And if it doesn't work out that way, it's okay. At least, you have that additional income coming in every month. Even if it's not a full-time income, every bit helps. So just keep going. I know you can do it, and start now. Start planning to do one of these revenue streams for next year. You can do it. But I will see you in my next video very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.